What are you reading?
I am reading a book.
What are you drawing?
I am drawing a house.
What are you cutting?
I am cutting vegetables.
What are you doing?
I am washing my hands.
Why are you sitting down?
I am feeling tired.
Why are you cleaning the chair?
It is dusty.
What are you eating?
I am eating an apple.
What are you writing?
I am writing a note.
Why are you opening the fridge?
I am looking for milk.
Why are you laughing?
I am watching a funny video.
What are you drinking?
I am drinking water.
What are you carrying?
I am carrying a heavy bag.
Why are you tying your shoes?
I am going outside.
What are you watching?
I am watching the birds.
What are you planting?
I am planting a flower.
Why are you drinking water?
I am very thirsty.
Why are you smiling, huh?
I feel happy today.
Why are you opening the gate?
I am going outside.
What are you holding?
I am holding a cup of tea.
Why are you walking so fast?
I am late for school.
Why are you closing the door?
The wind is strong. Wrong.
Why are you looking at the sky?
I am watching the birds.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to learn more.